Hello guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we're doing a little get ready with me. My base is already done. That's all listed in the description box. But we're gonna do a little palette bingo. And we're gonna do that together using the Fantasy Cosmetica Rogue palette and the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Sickly Sweet palette. So we're gonna answer a few spring questions, and this is a collab with my friend Alyssa. She will be tagged in the description box. Please go check out her channel and watch her video as well. And yeah, we both had these palettes and thought that they would make a really good pairing. So I'm excited to see what shades I get. Featuring coffee. It's a caramel frappe. They messed it up. I asked for mocha. They gave me caramel. It's not the end of the world. So let's start by randomizing our shades. So let me get into tiny decisions. And we have 9 shades in the Rogue palette. Yes. 9. So we've got 1 through 9, and we're gonna pick 3 shades from each palette. So our first shade is number 6. So that is the shade Shadows, this green right here. I've only used this palette once, so I am super excited to see where this takes us. Then we're gonna generate a random number. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the shade Deception. This like blue to purple. Ooh. That is gorgeous. And last but not least from the Rogue palette, shade number 5. 4, 5, and 6. So the shade 5 is Stealth, right there in the middle. So that's a pretty nice little color story there. We'll see how the Sickly Sweet breaks it up. Hopefully I get one more shimmer. That's what I would like. So if you don't know, this is what the Sickly Sweet looks like. This is the original. I'm so close to hitting pan on Big Feelings. But I don't want Big Feelings because it'd be so similar to that shade we already got. So let me change it to 30 shades. And let's generate a random number. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can work with that. That is the shade Cupcake right here. So that will be our inner corner highlight. Cupcake is a beautiful shade. Look at that. Oh, I love Blend Bunny. So now 2 more mattes, please. Shade number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I mean, it's a matte. It's this shade right here, Fake It, which goes with our color story. We got a greeny blue color story. Okay. And our very last shade is, give me something cool. 25. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 25. Okay, that is something cool. That is the shade Sprinkles. which I mean, goes with our color story. And I mean, I guess 3 mattes, 3 shimmers works. I know exactly what I'm going to do. Okay. So let me change this back to 10. And put the tablet away. And we're going to start with priming my eyeballs. I'm using the NARS Shadow Stick in Adults Only. Look, I'm so close. That's all that's left. Because I don't like this shadow stick. I would not purchase this again. I'm so happy I got it for cheap through Ipsy. Because had I paid full price for this stick, I'd probably be more mad about it. But because I paid 12 bucks for it, I'm indifferent. It works. It does the job. I just, for how expensive it is, full price, wouldn't purchase it. The shade's nice, though. I do like that. So let me get this blended, and then I'm going to tell you what we're going to do so that I don't have to talk about it while we're doing it. And then we're going to answer 5 springtime questions. Alyssa came up with 4 of them, and I only came up with the very last one because springtime is not my favorite season. So I was drawing a very bad blank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this like bluey green in my transition area. Then I'm going to go into the mint beneath it to kind of deepen it up. And then I'm going to take the dark green in my outer corner. And then this shimmer is going to go in my outer third. This is going to go on the center of my lid. And this is going to go in my inner corner. That is what we're working with. So let me see which brush. So I guess I should start. This isn't really a question, but spring is not my favorite season. Fall is for sure. I'm not a huge springtime fan. So I guess I'm just ready for winter to be over, and that's why I enjoy spring a little bit. Because it gets us out of winter, because I hate winter. Winter is my least favorite season of the 4. So just a little tidbit on me. Question number 1 is, what is the best part of spring? And the best part is the weather warming back up. Because 40s in the springtime and 40s in the fall are very different. And I will take 40-degree to 60-degree weather. If it could be 60s all year long, I'd be so happy. That's like my perfect ambient temperature. But the weather warming back up, I just like come back to life. But no more snow, like for sure no more snow makes me so happy because I hate snow. I ungodly hate snow. It is my least favorite part about winter. I could take the cold and the rain and the ice. I could take all of that, but I hate snow. I hate driving in it. I hate having to walk around in it. I hate everything about snow. So that's the best part about spring, is there's no more snow. Question number 2 is, what's the worst part about spring? And personally, the worst part about spring for me is all of the rain. Because I have severe arthritis, the rain really brings a lot of pain for me. It flares up a lot of joint pain. I mean, winter does too because of the cold, but rain just really hurts. There's something about like the air, where the air sits when it rains, that it kills me. It hurts so bad. Like, I can feel it before it rains. I know it's gonna rain. Even when it's just a little sprinkle and drizzle, it hurts. It sucks. I hate it. And with springtime, you need a lot of rain to bring back all the foliage, which I understand, but it sucks. It hurts. I'm really liking how these shades are blending together. It's turning out quite nice. They almost look like the same color, but like they're not. But hey, that's what the panning gods gave us, so. Question number 3 is, do you change up your makeup style? Your makeup or your style for spring? Not really. I do whatever makeup looks all of the time. I'm not one of those people that does seasonal makeup. I will wear pastels in the dead of winter. I will wear reds whenever. Like, I just wear what I want to wear. Honestly, I wear what I'm panning. But I do try to pull my pastels out a little bit more during the springtime because I know it's seasonally appropriate and it's when I'm going to get my most use out of them. But I don't force myself to use them per se. Alright, that's good enough for me. Didn't need either of those. So I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue because I'm going to do my lid before my lower lash line. Give my eye a minute to rest before we go in with mattes on the lower lash line. Question number 4 is, what does spring look like where you live? Well, I live in the Midwest, so hot and wet. Like, we don't really get a spring. Like, it gets really warm really fast. Like, it goes very much from winter to summer very quickly. All right, let me not do that because I'm just gonna have to make it work with the nails. But it's very wet. The foliage comes back, the trees, the flowers, that all comes back really, really fast. The animals, like the geese and the squirrelies, they all come back super quickly. Okay. And then last but not least, cupcake on that inner corner. And then I'm just going to take the 3 shades we used in reverse order on my lower lash line. So I'm going to start with the dark green. And then I'm going to blend it out with the mint. And I'm probably just going to go back and forth between the mint and light blue. Question 5 is, what is your favorite flower? The only question that I gave to this. And I think my favorite flower, I have 2. I have roses, as long as they're not red, because red roses are just lame. In my opinion. So I like other color roses, white roses, when you get fancy color roses. Anything like that. And then I love lilies. Lilies are very pretty. So that is the full eye look. I think it turned out pretty cute, all things considered. So I'm going to rock this on the other eye, pick out a lip. I have no idea what. Oh, I could do my blue lipstick and get my one use on my blue lipstick. Do you think it's too blue? I might do it. I might rock it. If not, I'll probably just do my black lipstick, but I only have one use on that blue lipstick, so I kind of want to just get that done. I think it'll look pretty nice. It'll pull the blue out in the look. But I'm going to go do all that off camera. I will be back in 2 seconds because we answered all the questions. So give me just a minute and I will show you the final look. All right, and here is the final finished look. I don't know if I love the lipstick with my teeth because like they're coffee stained, but like I do love it with the look. It's bringing the blue out and I do love that. And I think that this rocks. I think we got a very cohesive look with the 2 palettes. It could have went all over left field when we brought out the Sickly Sweet palette, but it didn't, and it gave us cohesion, and that is pretty great. I got powder all over my desk. But that is going to do it for this little spring get ready with me. Like I said, please go check out Alyssa's channel and her video. It's going up. It's up the same time that this one is. It's greatly much appreciated. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.